Hi everyone, happy Boxing Day! Welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the perfect turkey sandwich recipe to use up all of those leftovers. This recipe is just a blueprint, so if you haven't got turkey but you've got ham or beef or any other meat, you can use that in its place. And my favorite vegetable at Christmas is Brussels sprouts, but if you're not a fan, you can always use roasted carrots or whatever leftover vegetable you have. So let's jump in.
We'll start by buttering our bread. I'm using a nice white sourdough loaf. Now flip them over and spread your cranberry sauce on the other side. And is it even Christmas without cheese? I'm using a few slices of Emmental. Lay on your leftover turkey. I'm going to mush up my sprouts a little bit so they don't roll away on your sandwich. And then just pile them on top. And now for our pigs in blankets. I'm just going to slice them in half, open them up, and lay them on top of our sprouts. Turn your pan up to medium-high and let it come to temperature. And in goes your sandwich. Once you notice the edges starting to bubble up, you're ready to flip it over. Look how beautiful and golden that is. Now slice your sandwich in half, et voila, your perfect Christmas leftover sandwich.
So sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy. Sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy. Sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy. Sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy.
Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much for all of your support this year, all of the likes, the comments, and all of our subscribers. It really fills my heart with joy. I have so much love for all of you. Make sure you stay tuned because we've got another great year of recipes and cats coming up. And I'd love to hear what you'd like me to cook, so leave a comment down below and we'll see you next year.